Hello kids! Today we are going to see how to draw and color a Hello Kitty by using the shapes circle, triangle and oval. Come, let's start. First draw a circle and on both the sides of the circle draw a square for a bow, and from the bow draw a circle. Now draw two circles for eyes, an oval shape for nose. Now by using triangle shape, draw an ear on both the sides. Now from the neck, draw two slanted lines. Now join the slanted lines with curves. Now draw a bow with circle and an oval. Draw U shape for neck. Now for belt, draw two parallel curves on both the sides. Draw one side oval for hand on both the sides. Now using rectangle shape, draw the legs. Inside the rectangle, draw two sets of parallel lines. Now draw small lines on both the sides of the face for whiskers. Let's start coloring. Pink color. Light pink color. Yellow. That's it. See, it's very simple. In my next video, we are going to see how to draw and color a fire truck. See you.